here's my Fit Park 1 2010. Okay, I have Shadow Conspiracy, Dirty Grips, Shadow Bonds, texture brake lever, um, Odyssey linear cable, stock bars, stock stem, stock forks, Fit stock forks. I have Alienation BBR rim. Um, then I have a purple valve cap. You see it right there. Okay. Then my frame is just Fit Park 1 2010. I have a Fit T. That says Fit Stay Fit. See the Fit sign. That says Stay Fit. Then okay. Waggle metal pedals. I'm getting new ones, plastic. Stock cranks. Fit DRR down low, sprocket, KMC chain, a PPO rim again, then stock hub, stock spokes, stock nipples, and texture brakes, then my C-clamp, then bottom bracket. Is right here, my bottom bracket right here. It's a stock bottom bracket. Get a new one. Okay, you like the video, just subscribe and bye.